Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do I restore my Authenticator app? On your mobile device, open the Microsoft Authenticator app, and select Begin Recovery. Sign into your recovery account using the personal Microsoft account you used during the backup process. Your account credentials are recovered to the new device. How do I back up my Authenticator? Transfer your Authenticator keys via Android Tap. Get started. Tap, scan a QR code. You'll get a grid and instructions to place QR code within red lines. Open Google Authenticator on your older phone. Select Export Accounts. You may be asked to verify your identity via a fingerprint, password, or another method. How do I install Authenticator on my new phone? On your new phone, install the Google Authenticator app. In the Google Authenticator app, tap Get Started. At the bottom, tap Import Existing Accounts. On your old phone, create a QR code. In the Authenticator app, tap More Transfer Accounts Export Accounts. On your new phone, tap Scan QR code. Why am I not getting verification code on my iPhone? The verification message may have been blocked by your phone. Go to Messaging, Blocked, touch the three-dot menu, and see if the message is in the blocked message list. 4. You may have a poor network connection.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.